different fragrances. We sell Giorgio Armani, like for example the one that I'm holding is Stronger With You Lita. It's a very nice fragrance for men. It's an all-day wear, 100 ml. It's from France. Yeah, we also have the one of the best-selling brands, Lancôme. We have the Fast La Vie Est Belle. It's an ED perfume, and it's also an all-day wear. It can also be worn during the evening. It can also be done as an evening wear. Yeah. We also have the Libra. We have the YSL Libra. We have the EDP Intense and the EDP. You find this, the EDP Intense is more concentrated compared to the EDP perfume. It's a very nice fragrance for ladies. Yeah. So there are two, as I've said before. There is the EDP Intense and the EDP. We also have a very nice brand known as Versace. We have the Versace Eros. It's a very nice fragrance for men. It's also an all-day wear, and it also has a very nice fresh scent. Yeah, I can say either a man or a woman can also wear this. Yeah, we also have the Versace Eros. The Versace Eros Flame. It is also very nice. It's an also very nice fresh scent. Yeah. We also have the Salvatore Ferragamo. We have the Signorina. It's a very nice fragrance for women. It is also an all-day wear. It's like a fruity scent. It is a very nice fruity scent. Yeah. We also have We also have Hackett. Hackett is a very nice perfume. For one who uses Dior, you can use the Hackett as well. It's a very nice fragrance for men. You can also come to the Isimiaki. Isimiaki, we have the Liudizi Pure Home Eau and Cedar. It's a very nice. It is also a very nice fragrance for men. It's not that strong. For one who does not love strong perfumes, I usually recommend the Isimiaki for men. Yeah. We also have a brand called Ajmal. Ajmal is a very nice fragrance. It's basically from UAE, United Arabic Countries. This is called the Ajmal Amberwood. Amberwood is basically for men, and it's also an ED perfume. It's more like of a woody scent. It's a very nice woody scent for men. We also have the version of it, which is the rosewood. The rosewood is basically for women, and it also have a woody scent as well, and it is very nice. It's an all-day wear, so it's going to last the whole day. Let's say like for 24 hours. Yeah. We also have Sacrifice. Sacrifice for him is also by Ajmal. It's also a very nice fragrance for men. They usually come. We have Sacrifice for him, and we also have the Sacrifice for her. This is now the other version that is for ladies. This is the Sacrifice for her. It's an ED perfume. It usually comes with about 50 ml, and it is also an all-day wear as well. Yes. We also have the Ajmal Blue. You have the Ajmal Blue Pure Home. It's also a very nice one for men. It's a very nice fragrance for men. It's like a fresh. It's like a fresh scent, and it's also an all-day wear. It can be worn during summer or also during winter. It does well on both seasons. That is summer and winter. We also have the Ajmal Blue Pure Femme. It's the one for ladies. This is called Ajmal Blue Pure. It's also fresh and floral, and it's also a very nice fragrance for women. It can also be worn during summer and winter as well. Yeah. So we also have the Ajmal Auram Winter. It's a very nice fragrance for ladies. It is usually basically worn during the winter season. For the winter season for Ajmal, I usually recommend for the Auram Winter. Yeah. We also have the Auram Summer. It's a very nice fragrance. It usually does well during the summertime. So for the summertime, I usually recommend the Auram Summer. So we also have the Giorgio Armani, the Profondo, Acqua di Gio Profondo. It's basically a very nice perfume for men. Basically it comes with 125 ml, and it's a very, very nice with a unique scent. And yeah. Also have the Stronger With You Intensely by Giorgio Armani. It's more of woody. It's more of a woody scent, and it do last for 24 hours. So it usually does best either during whether it's cold season or sunny season, because it do last. Stronger With You Intensely. Yeah. We also have the La Nuit Trésor à la Folie. It's by Lancôme. It's a very nice fragrance for women. It's like a sweet scent. It can be worn during the evening, or when someone is going maybe for dinner. I usually recommend for the Lancôme La Nuit Trésor à la Folie. We also have the Black Opium. Black Opium is by YSL. It is basically a very nice scent for women. It's fruity with a very nice fragrance, and it's also an ED perfume, and it lasts the whole day. We also have the Versace Dylan Blue. It's it's for ladies, and it's also a very nice fragrance for women. It's fresh. It's a fresh scent, and it's ED perfume. The Hackett is it's a very nice fragrance for men. Basically, Hackett is close to Savage Dior. For one who uses Savage Dior, I usually recommend for the Hackett brand, and it's a very, very nice fragrance actually for men. We have Narciso. Narciso is basically it deals with both male and female perfumes. At the moment, we have the Masquerade Rose Narciso Rose for her. For a unique scent, I usually recommend for the Narciso. Like this one is floral. This one is a Masquerade Rose is floral scent. We also have the Isimiaki Fusion DZ. It's basically for men, and it's also a very nice fresh scent. We also have the Isimiaki, the Ian Magnolia. It's basically for ladies, and it is floral and has a scent of magnolia. Yeah, and it's a very nice fragrance, and it's the EDT in 10, so it's more strong. Yeah. We also have the Elizabeth Arden. Elizabeth Arden is basically worn by ladies. We have the Elizabeth Arden White Tea, and also have the Elizabeth Arden White Tea Ginger Lily. It's a nice fragrance for women, and it's fresh and not that strong. We also have my Fifth Avenue. It's a very nice fragrance for women. It can be worn. It's an all-day wear because it's an ED perfume, and it has a very, very nice scent. We also have the Fifth Avenue as well. It's a fragrance for women. It's an all-day perfume, and it's a very nice fragrance for women. The Fifth Avenue as well. It's an ED perfume. Very nice fragrance for women. We also have the Green Tea Body Cream Lotion. It's basically for the ladies. It is one can usually apply it on the body, like the whole part of the body. Yeah. We also have the Green Tea scent spray. It's a very, very nice perfume for one who does not love strong perfumes, especially for a lady. The Elizabeth Green Tea is actually very nice. We also have the Midnight Fantasy Britney Spears. The Midnight Fantasy Britney Spears. It's a fragrance for basically worn by ladies. It's also an ED perfume. Yeah, and it has like a sweet scent. We also have the Phantom Legion. It's a very nice fragrance by Paco Rabanne. For this one, it's an EDT. It's a very nice fragrance which can be worn during the summer. We also have the Lady Million Fabulous by Paco Rabanne also. It's a very nice fragrance for women. Basically, it's of like kind of a sweet and floral scent, and it's an ED perfume. It lasts the whole day. We have the Olympium. We have the Olympium Solar, which we have. This one is more concentrated. It's an EDP intense, and it's very floral. It's a very nice floral scent for women. We have the Olympia Blossom. It's an EDP. It's also a very nice fragrance for women. We have the Invictus. Invictus is a basically very nice fragrance for men. So we have the Invictus Legend. Basically it's a very nice fragrance for men. It's a bit fresh, spicy and woody, and it's also an ED perfume. We have the Pure X Night. It's also a very nice fragrance for men. It's a bit fruity and fresh. It's also an all-day wear by Paco Rabanne. We have, this is Carolina Herrera. It's called a Very Good Girl. It's a very nice fragrance for women. Basically it can be worn either during the day or during the night time. Actually this one is the new one. It's called the Very Good Girl, and it's fresh, not fresh, it's sweet. It's a sweet scent. We also have the 212 Heroes Forever Young. It's basically a very nice fragrance for women. It's fruity, it's very fruity, and I usually recommend this for someone who loves maybe fruity and something that one can last the whole day. It usually lasts for 24 hours. We have the Good Girl. Good Girl is basically for women by Carolina Herrera. It is usually, one can usually wear it during the day or also during the night time. It's an ED perfume. We have the Alive Intense by Hugo Boss. Basically it's a scent worn by women. It can be worn during, so we have the Alive Intense, the EDP Intense, and also the ED perfume. Basically this one is fruity and fresh, and it's also an all-day wear. We have Hugo Boss, the scent Flavored Accord for her. It's basically a very nice fragrance for women. It's like kind of a chocolate kind of a scent, and it also lasts the whole day because it's an ED perfume. We come to the Hugo Boss Oud. It's a basically very nice fragrance for men. It has like kind of a oud scent. For one who loves oud scent, Hugo Boss is also very nice, and it's also an ED perfume, so it lasts the whole day. We have Gucci. For this one is Gucci Bloom Profumo di Fiori. Basically for the Gucci, they are kind of like of a floral scent. For someone who loves floral, this one, Gucci Bloom Profumo di Fiori, is very nice. We also have the Calvin Klein Women EDP Intense. It's kind of a fresh scent. It's a very mature scent for women. We have the EDP and the EDP Intense. For this one I'm holding is the EDP Intense, and it's a very nice fragrance as well. We also have the Euphoria. Euphoria is basically for ladies by Calvin Klein. Now this is the Calvin Klein, the EDP. It's a very nice fragrance. It's the one that I was saying, the fresh, the EDP. We come to Jean Paul Gaultier. This is the Sauce Candle. Sauce Candle, basically it's for women. It's usually been worn during when one is going maybe for dinner, and it's also an all-day wear. It's the kind of a scent. It's sweet. It's kind of a sweet scent. Yeah. We have Jean Paul Gaultier Libiao EDP Intense. Basically, this one is for men. It's very fruity. For men maybe who love maybe fruity scents, Jean Paul Gaultier Libiao, it's very nice. We also have the Polo Blue La Florine. It's basically very nice fragrance for men. Actually it does very well during this weather, maybe during the cold season, because it do last for the whole day. We have the Roberto Cavalli. Roberto Cavalli is a very nice fragrance for women. It's kind of like of a fruity. It's a very nice fruity scent for women, and it's also an all day because it's an ED parfum. We come to the Daisy Marc Jacobs. It's basically for ladies. It's a very nice fragrance for ladies. It's sweet and fresh. For one who maybe loves going to the gym, I usually recommend for the Daisy Marc Jacobs Use Your Intent. It's very nice. Now we come to the Alien Magla. It's a very nice fragrance for women. It's more kind of like of a vanilla scent. For one who loves vanilla, for a lady, Alien Magla, it's very nice, and it's also an ED perfume. It lasts the whole day. Girl of Now by Elisa, Girl of Now Forever. Basically, it's also a very nice fragrance for ladies. For this one, the Girl of Now Forever, it's the EDP Intense. It's more strong for one who loves maybe strong perfumes, something that can last the whole day, something with a floral, sweet. Girl of Now Forever is very nice. We have the Bulgari Splendida Patchouli. It's basically a very nice fragrance for women. It has some sense of patchouli, and it also, one can also wear the whole day because it's an ED perfume. We come to the Antonio Banderas, The Secret Temptation. Basically, it's for men. It's fresh and not that strong because it's an EDT. For one who does not love strong perfumes, The Secret Temptation by Antonio Banderas is also very, very nice. We come to the Antonio Banderas, The Secret. Is also a very nice fragrance for men. It's very fresh and not that strong. We come to John Vavato's XS Indigo. It's basically a very nice fragrance for men. It's also very not that strong. For someone who does not love strong perfumes, I usually recommend for John Vavato's XS Indigo. We have the John Vavato's at San Pure. It's basically a very nice fragrance for men. It has kind of like of a fresh and citrusy scent. Yeah. We come to Frank Oliver Pure Excellence. Basically, it's a very nice fragrance for men. It's not that strong because it's an EDT. We have the Blue Touch by Frank Oliver. Basically, this one is for men. It's not strong, and it's also a fresh scent. All that I've explained is all that is available here at our store Sensation Sarit. Always hurry while the stock lasts. I would also like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year come 2023. Thank you.
And I say thanks very much for watching Beyond Hills, and with Sensation, you get all that you need. Have been your host, Pauline Yudo, and I say bye-bye for now.